Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix privacy and safety settings on X. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow these steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your X account in your browser, not in the app. So open up your browser, and here on the search bar simply type in twitter.com, and once you're inside here you'll be sent to the X homepage. Now all you gotta do is tap on the profile icon on the top left corner of the screen and scroll down, and then tap on settings and support, and then tap on settings and privacy. And once you're inside settings and privacy, all you gotta do is tap on privacy and safety, and here tap on content you see. Now here check to see if this option is toggled on or not. Display media that may contain sensitive content, tap on search settings, and here check to see if this high sensitive content is checked off or not. Sometimes these options might cause the issue that you are facing, so just toggle it off and go back and try again. Now once you do this, go back, and then the settings will be automatically applied to the app as well, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.